So I'm Scott O'Byrne, I'm from original Pattymen. So Western Special is our Peter Cook's bread toasted brioche. So currently the products from Westlands we use at the moment are the crispy sweet lettuce that Will's developed. It's a great burger lettuce. It's nice and crispy, it keeps its texture, it holds up to whatever you're laying on there. Alongside that we're using the green tomatoes. So what we've done there is we've sliced them and we've pickled them. So the green tomato keeps an extra crunch, whereas compared to just a red tomato you kind of lose a little bit. So we always use the green. With the pickle it adds that nice sharpness. So with our 32-day aged longhorn patty, over the top of that we'll melt some wild garlic Cornish yard, and then topped with a nice brioche bun. Toast the base of the bun, and then on top of that we'll lay a crispy sweet lettuce. Then we'll place the pickled green tomato on top of that. Then once we've seared and cooked the patty, that will go on, cheese melted over the top, and then we'll place a bun on top to finish. And there we have our Western Special. So the second dish I'm going to show you today is our gochugang fried chicken wings. So gochujang sauce is a Korean paste that we buy in the Korean paste, and then we add quite a lot of other ingredients to it. So we add a lot of soy sauce, sugar, vinegars. It just creates a real deep flavour. It's got a nice spice to it. It's just a real rich flavour. It's a great sauce. So we brine our chicken wings for 24 hours in just a salt brine. Once we do that, we take them out as soon as we get in the mornings and we lay them in buttermilk, and they stay in there for 2 to 3 hours. Once we've let our wings soak in the buttermilk, we take them out and we give them a really light flouring. It's important to be quite delicate with them so you get a good coating, you don't want anything to clump. From there we then dip them into the fryer at 175 degrees, gives them a nice crispiness, and then once they're out they get a good shake in our gochujang sauce, and then they go into the dish topped with crushed peanuts, sesame seeds, the Westland shiso leaf and the Westland micro coriander. And there we have our gochujang fried chicken wings.